Hi, welcome to Code Channel. Today we are going to look Tailwind Setup. Tailwind CSS setup in Svelte project. Svelte is kind of a React JavaScript framework. It is using a real DOM instead of virtual DOM. Okay, I'm just browsing Svelte dev website. There you can find template code to create a new project. I have just copied that and paste it here and renaming the my project to my Tailwind. It's just created. You need to do npm install for. Okay, yeah, I just made a mistake here. It should be npm install. It's getting installed. Okay, it's done. I'm just run npm run dev. Okay, it's running on localhost 5000. So we'll look there. It's there. Hello world. Okay, it's ready. I'm just opening the Visual Studio Code. You can look the basic code. I mean the template for the Svelte project. There's a package.json. All the necessary codes are there. Now we need to install Tailwind and just going Tailwindcss site installation path. Okay, you can do Tailwind setup for various JavaScript framework. You should copy this Tailwind CSS, post CSS, and auto prefixer. You need to install those things. Okay, let's wait for the installation. Okay, it's installed. Okay, it's there in package.json. We need post CSS config file to add the plugins of auto prefixer and Tailwind CSS. I'm just creating it. After this, we need to initiate Tailwind CSS configuration file. For that, I use npx Tailwind CSS init. This will create Tailwind config file. Just add mode as JIT just in compilation. In the purge field, you need to add all these 20 files. create folder name called styles. Under styles, create tailwind.css file. There you need to add the basic Tailwind code. Base and components and utilities. These are built-in Tailwind CSS codes. We should generate Tailwind output file. For that, we have to add some commands in the package.json. Tailwind CSS. We should provide input file by giving -i and a -o. O means the output file. So I am giving tailwind output.css. If we run npm run tailwind, that command will generate tailwind output.css. Here you can see that. These are all basic necessary CSS codes generated by Tailwind CSS. I'm just trying to change the background color using Tailwind CSS class bgblue 500. I'm running npm run tailwind command to generate the output. Here you can see the generated output blue bgblue 500. Oops, it didn't change. I forgot to add the file. I mean the Tailwind output file. I need to add it here. I need to start the project. Okay, it's now came. It's it's in blue color now. Okay, I tried with yellow. Oh, it's not working because it doesn't watch the output file. No. So what we have to do is we should run the tailwind command again. Now you can go and check. Now it's coming. Okay, but this way we shouldn't work. It should work instantly. So we need to watch that output file. So we can use the watch command in the package.json. We should install concurrently npm module to run node project and Tailwind CSS parallelly. I'm just changing Tailwind keyword and dev keyword and generating new dev keyword and adding concurrent comments. We should provide individual comments in the quotes. Now I am restarting the project. I'm trying to change the color. Okay, now instantly coming. It's good. Okay, thank you for watching.